At some point, there will be a desire to present what has been developed through exploration and character development to an audience. This takes us into the area of theatre. A key feature of theatre is that we are no longer doing drama just for ourselves. We have to consider what the audience can see and hear. A piece of raw drama is unfocused. Performers stand where they want to. They speak when they need to, and the effect of this depiction of a day at the beach is quite confusing to an observer. A few simple rules can overcome this. When a performer has their back to the audience or cannot be seen because another performer is in front of them, they are said to be masking themselves or being masked. It is important that the audience can see the performers' faces, as this is a key area of expression. Also, if performers are facing the audience, they are more likely to be heard when they speak. Performers need to be arranged on stage so that masking is avoided. Though we can now see all the performers, the overall picture we see lacks interest. We can add interest by placing different sections on different levels.
Oh, you having a good holiday?
Yeah, it's great! Here, catch!
Oh!
Finally, we need to structure the dialogue so that only one person speaks at a time. It is important that performers know when it is their turn to speak.
So what are you up to?
Me? Oh, I'm digging a hole.
Oh, that's lovely. Have you put your suntan lotion on?
Oh yeah, I have. I already have. Factor 60. Is that okay?
Have ice cream, please.
Yeah, what would you like? We've only got cones at the moment, so
Oh,
a cone,
so
a large one.
Yeah.
Would you like sauce?
Yeah, strawberry sauce and 2 fakes, nuts and cakes.
That's 99p then, please. Brilliant, thank you.
The stage is divided into areas with specific names. Everything at the front of the stage is called downstage. Everything at the back of the stage is called upstage. This is because most traditional stages actually slope from back to front. With a performer standing in the middle of the stage facing the audience, everything to the right of the performer is stage right. Everything to the performer's left is stage left. This allows us to divide the stage up into a number of areas. These terms are understood in any theatre and are used when directing performers or setting scenery. To the sides of the stage are the wings, where the actors who are about to go on stage wait. Offstage is where scenery and props are stored. Backstage is where dressing rooms and workshops can be found. The audience sits in the auditorium. The foyer, box office and refreshments are found front of house.